Hi, this is Tyler at Sissy Brothers, and today we're talking Sissy Bars. If you're looking for a simple yet great looking Sissy Bar for your bike, Sissy Brothers has you covered. We manufacture a wide variety of fitments and styles for Harley Davidson models that have great looks, a rigid one-piece welded construction, and the included mounting hardware that you need to install it on your bike hassle-free. There's instructions included in the kit. It gives a great place to secure your gear when you're going on a ride. There's integrated hooks for your bungee cords or whatever method that you like to secure it. And should you like to add a passenger to your bike, there's a simple clamp on, great looking pad here that's removable for when you want it and when you don't. If you want to find out any more information about these and all the features that they offer, you can find it by visiting our website, tcbros.com.